In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear wiper blade on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. This will be attached to your lift gate. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing I'll mention is when you pull this away, it is under spring tension, attempting to pull it back towards the window, so you want to be extremely careful at all times throughout this process. To be able to lift the wiper arm away from the window enough to remove the wiper blade, let's follow the wiper arm down to its mounting point. You're going to find a plastic panel here. You can go ahead and pull on the little tabs, slide this out of place. Now with that tilted away, you can carefully hold onto this wiper arm. Once again, it's under spring tension. We'll take hold of that wiper blade as well, and now we're going to pivot it. It's going to unlock, and we'll pull it out of place. There it is, friend. Now a quick inspection of the wiper arm, ensure everything's still in good working order, and we can prepare to install our brand new wiper blade. When installing the wiper blade, you want to make sure you have it in the proper orientation. You can tell that we have the notch that protrudes downward a little bit. That will be the inboard side towards the wiper arm here. We'll take this and press it right into the groove. Once you have it pressed in, we'll lock it in by twisting it. Give it a little twist. We want to make sure it does not fall off on its own. Continue on by carefully resting this against your rear window. Make your way back down that wiper arm. We're going to protect this area. We'll just swing it right over and lock it in. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is go ahead and hop in the passenger compartment and test the functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.